For centuries, those who sought strength and security built a fortress. NCL's Fortress Spray Disinfectant Deodorant is a broad-spectrum disinfectant deodorizing spray in a convenient, ready-to-use aerosol. Each can offers quick, easy, and effective security for those working to eliminate most illness-causing germs. Use Fortress in all areas of your facility on hard, non-porous surfaces and protect against a lengthy list of fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Quick and effective virucidal disinfection on the go. Afterward, Fortress leaves behind disinfected surfaces with a pleasant morning fresh fragrance.